Okay, how we doing, tycoons? For today's video, I am going to give you guys the layout that I use when day trading. Okay, so this will be my layout, and if you guys like it, if you think it's effective, or maybe just seeing it and seeing how someone else day trades, maybe you could go ahead and benefit from that, learn a couple things, or maybe see some things that maybe you never really thought of, or some things that you always see but you never know how someone got that or set the screen up that way or whatever. Okay, so I've got that going for you right now. What you're going to do is we're on TD Ameritrade, okay, Thinkorswim platform. It says monitor, trade, analyze, scan, mark, yada, yada, yada. We're going to go to charts, okay, and then we're going to hit flexible. Whoops. Damn it. All right, we're going to hit charts, and then we're going to go to flexible grid, okay, and it's going to change our screen. Okay, I'm going to take this off real quick. All right. So it's going to change your screen to this. It'll give you one screen up top and 3 screens down below. All right. I think that the easiest strategy, day trading strategy, or one of the easiest things to start day trading if you're a beginner or if you're experienced and you're new to options is day trading SPY calls or SPY puts, put contracts. Okay. So to do that, what I like to do is what you'll do is you'll come down here, okay, and then you would type /ES, hit enter, and that's going to pull up the ES. That is the SPY futures, okay, the S&P 500 futures market. I like to look at the 5-minute time frame, okay. And then this one right here is obviously the SPY. I did the same thing, and I'm looking at it on the 5-minute time frame. And then we have the VIX, which is the volatility index. Okay, so basically when VIX goes up, SPY goes down, ES goes down, /ES goes down. When this goes down, this goes up. Okay, so it makes it a lot easier. If you see a pattern that VIX is in, if VIX is in a bearish pattern, then and you notice that SPY has a setup for a bullish pattern, then you might want to take an entry on some SPY calls, for instance. Okay, so that's what I like to do. That's these 3 screens on the bottom. Okay, and then up top, what I like to do is you click here on this right side, you hit active trader. Okay, and that's going to pull this up right here. All right. All right, and then now we're going to change our screen to the top to the option contract that we're looking to trade. Okay, so we're going to go to trade, and we'll go to the SPY. All right, and we're going to select our contract. Usually when doing these, they are highly volatile contracts. So these can go down 20%, 30%, and then, an hour later be up 50%. So these are extremely volatile. It's really important to stick to your analysis, your entries and your exits, and have a defined plan basically before you enter a trade. Okay, I recommend doing anything 1 to 5 days away from expiration date. I like to trade within that range. So you'll come here, you'll look at your option chain data. Okay, and the right side is going to be puts, the left side is going to be calls. All right, and we're going to scroll down here to where it's a little more recent. So that way we can go ahead and take a look at the current strikes that we're in. Okay. All right, so as you can see, I have a position here on some of the 457 puts. All right, so that means I'm trading those. The way I want to trade those is you right click, you copy. Okay, and now we're going to go back to our chart and we're going to pull up the active trader thing back up. Okay, we have our active trader thing right there. We're going to go hit copy, paste. Okay, we're going to paste that in and hit enter. And now this is going to show us our option contract. Okay, and now it's got it in here, and we can see the volume for the bid size, the price, the ask size. Okay, so currently we've got 800 people asking for $1. Now it's 1,000 people asking for $1. We've got 959. So this is all live updates. Okay, and you can change this to whatever you want. I'm currently holding 3 contracts, so if I wanted to sell, I could, and I have auto send right here. I could see what I like, okay? And then I would hit sell, boom, it would instantly sell at market price. And I know what market price is because it's highlighting it right here and it's showing me the bid and ask size and everything like that. Okay, so I don't look at this too much. You know, I'm mostly paying attention to these right here and, you know, the active trader side over here. All right, so you can see the orders coming in and the volume and things like that. But, you know, it's nice when you're looking at this and it's going straight up. All right. So SPY has been in some sideways consolidation. There's some Fed talk that's going to happen today. So I'm going to be looking for a break below this box consolidation. That's currently the trade I'm in. And I've been, I originally bought like over here, and then I've got 3 contracts now. I've just been averaging up or averaging down basically every time it hits the top of this box consolidation. And I'm looking for it to break below this box consolidation. I've got an alert here. I may take some profits here, okay? Or I may set a trailing stop loss. A lot of times with these, I use a mental stop loss. Whenever, you know, I enter a trade, and then when I'm well in profit, 20, 40, 50% up, I'll go ahead and put a trailing stop loss on, okay? So hopefully that was helpful for you guys. One thing quick, when using the VIX, I like to look at the 30-minute or the 1-hour time frame. You know, this is a much larger time frame, so you have a better sense of the overall like sentiment of the VIX versus these small movements on the SPY and /ES. Okay. Now, if you guys want to know what studies I'm using, there's a different study on each particular one of these windows, as you can see. Okay, this has a different study, this has a different study, and this has a different study. Go ahead and look in the description. I got 3 videos down below breaking down what studies I use, what indicators I use, and how to set them up. Okay, so make sure to click those. Also, if you guys want to join the Options Trading Tycoons Discord, you can go ahead and do that. There'll be a link down below in the description as well. And what you can do is you can go ahead and use code Zackley, like the channel name, Zackley Trades, and you can get, you know, a discount on your membership. Okay. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and let me know what you guys are looking for. All right. Bye.